Hello, and welcome back to Financial Freedom Roadmap. Here, we explore the world of finance, offering guidance and insights to help you achieve your financial goals. Today, we're diving into one of the most transformative topics in personal finance, budgeting. In this video, we'll explore the immense value of having a budget in your life and how it can lead to financial success and freedom. Give us a thumbs up if you like the content. Want to stay in the loop? Click that notification bell to get updates whenever we post something new. Subscribe, join our community, and never miss out on our latest videos. Ever felt like your money slips through your fingers, leaving you wondering where it all went? If you don't know where your money is going, how can you achieve your big goals? That's where budgeting steps in. A budget is your financial GPS, and here's why you absolutely need it in your life. Financial control. A budget puts you in the driver's seat, giving you the power to control your money instead of it controlling you. Goal achievement. It's the secret sauce to achieving your financial dreams, whether it's buying a home, traveling the world, or retiring early. Debt slayer. If you're drowning in debt, a budget helps you allocate funds to pay it off strategically, freeing you from financial shackles. Emergency fund. Life's full of surprises, and having a budget allows you to build that safety net for unexpected expenses, like a medical emergency or a sudden car repair. Cutting wasteful spending. By tracking your expenses, you can identify and eliminate unnecessary spending, which adds up quicker than you might think. Let's talk about the benefits of budgeting in more detail. Financial freedom. Budgeting paves the way for financial freedom. It enables you to take control of your money and make it work for you. Peace of mind. Knowing you have funds for emergencies reduces stress and provides peace of mind. Savings and investments. A budget helps you save and invest for the things that truly matter, like your dream vacation, a comfortable retirement, or your child's education. Debt reduction. Say goodbye to high-interest debts as you strategically allocate funds to pay them off. Smart spending. Budgeting allows you to cut back on wasteful spending and make conscious, informed financial decisions. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of creating your budget. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Set clear goals. Define your financial goals, be it saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for a big purchase. Calculate your income. List all your income sources, whether it's your salary, side hustle, or rental income. Categorize your expenses. Break down your expenses into categories like housing, groceries, transportation, entertainment, and healthcare. Budget wisely. For example, you might allocate 30% of your income to housing, 15% to groceries, 10% to transportation, 10% to entertainment, 10% to healthcare, 5% to personal grooming, and 5% to education. Adjust these percentages based on your unique circumstances and financial goals. Build your safety net. Dedicate a portion of your income to an emergency fund. The goal of an emergency fund is typically to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. You can start by saving a small percentage of your income each month until you reach this goal. Stay on top of it. Regularly track your spending against your budget and make adjustments as necessary. You've discovered the incredible world of budgeting and why it's a total game changer. Your budget is the key to financial success, and it's all about making your money work for your dreams. So, start budgeting today and watch your financial future transform. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more comprehensive content on personal finance. We encourage you to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching.